Three.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, this is P. Akshaya. I am pursuing 9th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I will say the complete seminar regarding the animal tissues. Let us go to the seminar. First, epithelial tissues. The epithelial tissues are present in the lining of blood vessels and lining of blood and lining of kidney tubes and etc. In our activity 1, we will know about the apical surface. Now I will show the picture. This is the apical surface, this is a nucleus, this is a base lateral surface and this is the basement membrane. And this will float to decades and flat line. And activity 2. Activity 2, we will need the permanent slide and take a cover slip, keep it under the microscope, put 2 or 3 drops and observe what would be happen. Now I will show the picture what we have observed under the microscope. See, this is a columnar picture what we have observed under the microscope. Activity 3. Next we will know about the cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium is a lining of organisms and it is a specialized mechanism in the animal's body. Now I will show the picture. This is a cuboidal epithelium tissue. Next, about blood. Now we will know something about the blood. Blood is also a type of connective tissue and it may have different types of components. And there is 3 types of granulites: neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils. These are used to attack the microorganisms who enters into our world. And the granulites is known as the 2 types and lymphocytes and monocytes, and monocytes are moves like a amoeba and amoeba is a single cell organism and it is known as the scavengers and the foreigners like this and engulf them. Next, connective tissue. I will show the picture of connective tissue. See, this is a connective tissue. Yellow elastic fibers and fascigoid and white fibers and fibroblasts, and this is a mast cell. The connective tissue of examples are blood and kidneys and kidney tubes and lining of blood vessels, and there is so many and etc. And it is used to animals and may it have 2 movements of legs and hands. And then you will observe what would be happen in the animals. Next, our topic is the story of blood. Story of blood. Now I'll show the pictures of blood vessels. These are the blood vessels. There is a different types of blood vessels in our body or animals or plants, and this is a blood vessels. This is a nucleus blood vessels and half-typed blood vessels, H-typed blood vessels. See, the blood was floating very clearly and with fluidly is known as the plasma, and these are the blood vessels by moving with the blood. These are the blood. This is the blood vessel, blue and white color. Next, cartilage. Our cartilage is also in main in humans or animals and plants. It may use it to movements of hands and legs when do you do a exercise of early morning. Now I will show the picture of cartilage. See, this is a cartilage and this is a articular cartilage. This part is known as the articular cartilage, and this is a tip of ribs and this is a tip of eyes and this is a tip of ribs. Next, our topic is bone. Bone is also a very important part in our body and may it have used to movement of body when do you do exercise at early morning. You may have listen at the sometimes of muscle sounds or bone sounds. It may have listen in animals or in our human beings and may it be helpful to do all movements of our body and animals. Now I will show a picture of bone. This is a bone. This is the inner part of the bone. Next, activity 5. Activity 5, we will know that the situation of above them activity. We will know. And it works like a current wires and through passing the wires. And brain and spinal cord play a main role between the kidneys and lungs. Now, I will show a picture of muscle, stayed muscle. See, this is a mitochondria, this is a constellation, this is a scleroderma, damaged tissue. This is known as the steroid muscle. Next our topic is muscle. Muscle is also an important part of our animal or human being, and it has also used to all movements of our body. And when you are 3 years child and the very smooth of bone and very thin layer, or it may kilograms in the weight. When you come to 10 years, the bone will be growth in larger, some with big larger. Now I'll show the muscle tissues. This is a plasma membrane, this is a myofibrils, and this is a nucleus araflis. When do your movements of muscle, the plasma will move to up or side and down. And it is increasing the diameter and decreasing the diameter. When you add increasing age or decreasing the age, when you eat a nutritious food, the maybe health grown in your body, and the bone also will you grown in your body. Now I will show the picture of straight muscle or non-straight muscle. And carotid muscle. This is a carotid muscle, this is a intercalated nuclei, and this is a constellations, and this is a nuclei. These are the microbes. When do you movements of like this, the nucleus moves side to side and float very easily and fluently. This fluidly is known as the plasma. Next, activity 7. In this we need the nerve cell. Nerve cells also a main part of our body and animals, and it may also use it to nerve terminals. Now I'll show a picture of nerve cell. See, this is a nerve cell, this is a dendrite, this is a nucleus, and this is a nucleus, and this is a cytosol, this is a Ranvier node, and this is a axon, this is a myelin sheath, and this is a nerve terminals. The axon or nucleus moves to one side to another side, and it is known as the cell body. Another name of cytosol is a cell body. Next, and it works like a current works and may pass through wires and play main role between the brain and spinal cord. And may it have used to alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is known as will the heat of the with help upper jaw and lower jaw. It is known as the alimentary canal, and it is a contraction of relaxation in our voluntary or involuntary. We should move very smooth or very fluidly. We should need some exercise or some fitness. So thanks for spending your valuable time for watching my video. Are you understand my seminar? Yes, I may understand. I think you may have understand my seminar. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Stay home, stay safe.